The heavy-duty truck world has been locked in a brutal battle for years. Every major manufacturer has been obsessed with one thing: building the ultimate towing machine. Bigger torque numbers, stronger diesel engines, higher towing ratings, and more capability than ever before. But now, rumors surrounding a massive new GM diesel engine are sending shockwaves through the entire pickup industry. The rumored 8.3-liter MEGAMAX Diesel could become the boldest move General Motors has made in decades. Whether the engine arrives exactly as insiders predict or evolves into something slightly different before production, one thing is becoming increasingly obvious. GM appears ready to completely redefine the future of heavy-duty diesel trucks. The diesel truck war may be entering an entirely new era. For decades, heavy-duty truck buyers have cared about three things above all else: torque, towing capability, and long-term durability. Horsepower gets attention in advertisements, but experienced truck owners understand the truth. Torque is what matters most when serious work begins. Torque is what pulls massive trailers from a complete stop. Torque is what keeps a truck climbing steep grades without struggling. Torque is what allows heavy equipment to move through mud, snow, mountains, and difficult terrain without hesitation. General Motors already carries enormous respect in the diesel world thanks to the legendary Duramax lineup. The current 6.6-liter Duramax V8 has earned a reputation for smooth power delivery, impressive towing stability, and major reliability improvements compared to earlier generations. But competition in the heavy-duty segment has become fiercer than ever. Ford continues pushing the limits with its power-stroke diesel engines, while Ram has built an intensely loyal customer base around Cummins-powered HD trucks. Buyers now expect modern heavy-duty pickups to tow more than 35,000 pounds while still delivering quiet cabins, premium interiors, advanced technology, and respectable efficiency. That pressure may have pushed GM toward developing something much larger, more powerful, and far more aggressive. Experts suspect the engine could feature several major engineering upgrades, including stronger forged internal components, next-generation high-pressure fuel injection systems, advanced turbocharger technology, improved thermal efficiency, upgraded cooling systems, enhanced towing calibration, and more durable emissions equipment. If even half of those rumors prove true, the MEGAMAX could easily become the most capable diesel engine GM has ever produced. Modern truck marketing often focuses heavily on horsepower because large numbers sound exciting. But in real-world heavy-duty applications, torque remains king. Torque determines how easily a truck handles extreme loads. It affects towing confidence, uphill acceleration, trailer stability, and overall drivability under stress. A truck with massive torque does not need to strain itself to move heavy weight. That reduces stress on the engine and transmission while improving towing smoothness and long-term durability. This is exactly why diesel engines continue dominating the heavy-duty market despite the rise of powerful gasoline alternatives. The rumored MEGAMAX engine appears, specifically designed to maximize low-end pulling force. That could allow future GM HD trucks to outperform competitors where it matters most, in real-world towing situations rather than controlled laboratory tests. Part of the reason these rumors are creating so much excitement is because GM already has deep credibility in diesel engineering. The Duramax Diesel became one of the defining truck engines of the modern era. Years of development transformed it into a platform respected for combining strong power with smooth operation and impressive longevity. Earlier diesel engines across the industry were often plagued by excessive noise, weak transmissions, injector failures, turbocharger problems, and poor cold weather reliability. But modern Duramax engines evolved significantly over time. Many truck experts also credit GM's long-standing partnership with Allison Transmissions for helping establish the company's reputation among towing enthusiasts. The Duramax-Allison combination became one of the most respected setups in the heavy-duty truck market because it delivered both capability and confidence under load. If GM truly launches an 8.3-liter MEGAMAX platform, expectations will be enormous because buyers already trust the company's diesel heritage. The biggest source of excitement surrounding the MEGAMAX rumors is towing potential. Modern heavy-duty trucks already deliver astonishing capabilities. Today's trucks can pull giant fifth-wheel campers, construction equipment, agricultural machinery, horse trailers, and commercial haulers with ease. But towing demands continue increasing every year. Larger RVs, heavier trailers, and expanding commercial applications are forcing manufacturers to continuously raise capability limits. Analysts believe the MEGAMAX Diesel could push GM into entirely new territory by targeting higher gross combined weight ratings, stronger uphill towing performance, reduced turbo lag, improved sustained performance in extreme heat, and more powerful exhaust braking systems. That last point is especially important. Advanced diesel exhaust braking has become one of the most valuable features in heavy-duty towing. Drivers descending steep mountain grades rely heavily on engine braking systems to reduce brake wear and maintain control. A larger displacement diesel engine could dramatically improve downhill stability and towing safety under extreme loads. Some industry insiders believe the MEGAMAX project may be designed to completely reset expectations for factory heavy-duty trucks. The current torque wars already push modern diesel trucks beyond 1,000 pound-feet of torque, something that once seemed impossible for consumer pickups. But GM may not be interested in small improvements anymore. The company could be aiming for a major leap forward instead of another incremental upgrade. Experts suspect several possibilities, including record-setting torque output, improved towing acceleration, greater durability for commercial operators, longer service intervals, reduced operating temperatures, and stronger efficiency under heavy loads. Cooling will likely play a massive role in the engine's design. Heavy-duty towing creates enormous heat, especially during steep climbs in hot weather conditions. Modern diesel trucks require highly advanced cooling systems to maintain consistent performance under stress. An 8.3-liter platform would almost certainly require upgraded radiators, larger intercoolers, enhanced oil coolers, stronger transmission cooling systems, and advanced airflow management. Those upgrades could make future GM HD trucks exceptionally capable in extreme towing environments. Interestingly, the return to larger diesel engines may signal a shift in industry priorities. For years, automakers focused heavily on downsized turbocharged engines that promised better fuel economy and lower emissions. But heavy-duty truck buyers often prioritize effortless power and long-term durability over maximum fuel savings. A larger diesel engine can produce massive torque without operating under constant stress. Lower stress levels may improve longevity, thermal management, reliability, and towing stability over time. That advantage becomes even more important as emissions regulations grow increasingly complex. Modern diesel systems already rely on DEF systems, diesel particulate filters, exhaust gas recirculation, and advanced catalytic converters. These technologies create additional heat and engineering challenges. A larger engine running at lower stress levels could help offset some of those complications. GM's future in the heavy-duty segment may depend heavily on this next-generation engine. The HD truck market has become one of the most profitable sectors in the automotive industry. Buyers routinely spend premium money on diesel upgrades, luxury trims, towing packages, off-road equipment, and commercial configurations. Some fully loaded heavy-duty trucks now cost as much as high-end luxury sports cars. That means automakers cannot afford to fall behind. GM understands this reality very well. The Silverado HD and Sierra HD compete directly against some of the most advanced trucks ever built. To remain competitive long-term, GM needs technology that feels revolutionary rather than merely acceptable. The MEGAMAX Diesel could become that flagship technology. It may also strengthen GM's commercial truck business, where reliability and torque matter even more than luxury features. Today's truck buyers are smarter and more demanding than ever before. Maximum horsepower alone no longer impresses serious owners. Reliability has become equally important because repair costs on modern diesel trucks can be incredibly expensive. Industry analysts believe GM understands this shift perfectly. That is why many experts expect the MEGAMAX Diesel to emphasize long-term durability, improved emissions reliability, reduced maintenance complexity, stronger cooling systems, and better transmission compatibility rather than simply chasing huge dyno numbers. Commercial operators especially prioritize uptime because downtime directly affects business profits. A truly durable 8.3-liter diesel could become extremely attractive to contractors, agricultural operators, fleet managers, RV owners, and long-distance towing enthusiasts. If GM successfully combines massive torque with strong reliability, the company could dominate the heavy-duty diesel segment for years. Of course, no heavy-duty engine can succeed without a capable transmission. That is why many experts expect GM to pair any future MEGAMAX diesel with an upgraded Allison transmission platform specifically engineered for extreme towing demands. The transmission would need to handle enormous torque loads, continuous heat, steep climbs, and constant shifting under heavy stress. Modern HD transmissions already use sophisticated software, adaptive shift logic, tow-specific calibration systems, and advanced cooling technology. A MEGAMAX-powered truck would likely receive the most advanced towing transmission GM has ever developed. That could dramatically improve trailer stability, acceleration under load, downhill control, and overall towing confidence. Fuel economy will still matter as well. Even buyers focused primarily on towing care deeply about efficiency because diesel fuel costs can fluctuate dramatically, especially for commercial operators who drive massive annual mileage. Experts believe GM could use advanced combustion strategies, variable geometry turbocharging, optimized injection timing, reduced internal friction, and smarter engine mapping to improve efficiency despite the engine's larger displacement. Modern diesel engineering has advanced tremendously over the last decade. In some situations, larger modern engines can actually outperform older, smaller engines in real-world towing efficiency because they do not need to work as aggressively under load. That could become one of the MEGAMAX engine's greatest advantages. If GM launches an engine this ambitious, competitors will not remain quiet for long. Ford could push future Power Stroke engines even harder, while Stellantis may continue evolving high-output Cummins platforms for Ram HD trucks. That competition ultimately benefits buyers. The ongoing diesel torque war has already produced major improvements across the industry, including safer towing systems, stronger cooling technology, better cabin refinement, smarter trailering assistance, improved reliability, and luxury-level comfort. Heavy-duty trucks today are no longer simple work machines. Modern HD pickups combine extreme capability with premium interiors, giant touchscreens, advanced driver assistance systems, luxury materials, and sophisticated technology. Yet capability still defines the segment. No matter how luxurious these trucks become, buyers still demand confidence under heavy load and long-term durability above everything else. That is why the MEGAMAX rumors matter so much. This engine represents more than another power increase. It could symbolize the next chapter of the heavy-duty truck arms race. At the same time, electrification continues, advancing rapidly throughout the automotive world. Electric trucks are improving every year, but diesel still dominates extreme towing applications for several important reasons. Battery-powered trucks continue facing major challenges, including reduced towing range, charging infrastructure limitations, heavy battery weight, and long recharge times. Diesel trucks remain unmatched for long-distance heavy hauling, especially in rural and commercial environments. That reality gives engines like the rumored MEGAMAX continued relevance for the foreseeable future. However, some experts believe the future may eventually involve hybrid diesel systems that combine traditional combustion engines with electrified torque assistance. GM could potentially merge diesel power with hybrid technology in ways that completely transform towing capability and efficiency. For now, though, the rumored 8.3-liter MEGAMAX Diesel already has the truck world paying close attention. Even before official confirmation, excitement continues growing because the heavy-duty truck market is hungry for the next major breakthrough. Buyers want more torque, better towing performance, stronger transmissions, improved reliability, smarter technology, and greater durability. GM appears determined to deliver all of it in one package. If the MEGAMAX Diesel reaches production with the kind of performance experts are predicting, the entire heavy-duty truck market could change overnight. The torque wars may not be ending anytime soon, but GM looks ready to move the battle into an entirely different league.